Let's go. Come on. Good girl. Hey? Yeah, good girl. My name is John White from True Northeast Troughing. This is the best part of my day. I actually get to go see the customer. The boys are already there. This customer we're going to see wants the full Monty. Soffit, fascia, trough, siding. It's a big job. As much as our customers choose us, we choose them. And this particular neighborhood has always been my favorite. Quality has always been a priority with me. People just don't get it, but it has to be right or just don't do the job at all. So for 25 years or so, we've had our good days, we've had our bad days. It's hard sometimes to explain to customers about the price, but it costs more to have better. And the priority is we only use the best. So for 25 years, True Northeast Troughing has always been a leader in the industry. Okay, we're here, Joy. Let's get to work.